Chicken legs on grill. For the chicken legs, we need electric grill, chicken legs, rosemary, garlic, yogurt, mayonnaise, mustard, pepper and salt. Pour yogurt into a bowl. Add mayonnaise, mustard, rosemary, salt and pepper. Squeeze the garlic. Mix it well. Add chicken legs to the dressing. Spread evenly. Cover with the plate. Put in the fridge at least for 1 hour. Turn on the grill and select the chicken breast mode. Wait for the grill to heat up. Put chicken legs, and cook it 30 minutes. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!